I'm with Bioindustrial Innovation Canada. It's an organization located in Southern Ontario with a mandate to help facilitate commercialization of green and sustainable technology. So we focus on helping do investments, we help site locations, we help deal with regulations, government financing, whatever's required to get that company up and off the ground. If you want to look at international clusters from a perspective of what the benefit of them, and we see that as a real benefit of creating connectivity. We are building a cluster in Sarnia, Ontario around the bio-based industries, green and sustainable technology. And we need to be able to link with other parts of the world. We look at Europe as a key location because there's a lot of activity in Europe around developing green and sustainable technologies. We also look at areas like Southeast Asia, Australia, and the United States obviously as other areas, and Brazil that have good research bases and are developing those technologies. But green and sustainable technologies have to move around the world as well. They don't fit in pipelines very well like oil does, so we have to build smaller facilities, but more of them. And so that means Canada has an opportunity to have those facilities, as well as Europe, as well as United States, as well as Australia, wherever. So we really see that connectivity and clusters as very critical to building this industry. Today, I'm here at the Ecochem conference, and it's really important to be at these kind of conferences because it's a connectivity point. It's an area where it coalesces and brings all these different companies together from all over Europe and North America and other parts of the world, and it's a way to arrange a series of meetings. Like I've got probably 20 meetings here. Well, so I can come here and have 20 meetings rather than travel to 20 different places to have meetings, which I could never afford to do anyway. So being here and making those connectivities is critical, and also listening to the presentations that are here and understanding what the companies are developing, what stage of development they're at, and what their future plans are all part of what we need to learn. And then figure out how do we work with them to make sure that Canada's on their radar as well as other parts of the world. But I'm interested in getting them into Canada. So Canada on the radar is very critical for us, and so that's one of the reasons why we are here, is to help make that happen.